How's it going, guys? Welcome back to our last question set video of the database DBMS question series. So the question set is 50. You can just pause the video right here and read the question. I think you guys have read the question, so I will explain to you what this means. So somehow the principal of the school needs the database to be restored from the backup file. So in the last question, I think, so let me just, so in the last question we did a backup on the database. So this is the random SCHDB, the backup file we created, backup.sql. So now you need to restore this file. So to do that, you need to create an empty database. So let me just, how to do this? I will just use both of these. So I will use the MySQL command line to create a database. You could use like any other method to create the database. I will use this. So to create a database, so first of all you need to create an empty database. So create database SQL DB backup. I hope there aren't any database with this name. So run mySQL. So as you could see, like there aren't any databases with this. So for this to work, there shouldn't be any database with the name. Would give like any other name, like, okay, so the database has been created successfully here. You refresh this and you can see run mySQL is an empty, what, oh no, yeah, as you could see run mySQL backup is an empty database. Now you can close this and go to command line. Better to run this as administrator. So you need to navigate to the directory the SQL backup SQL file is in. So my directory is D. So change directory to what? MySQL backups, right? So let me copy this and paste it here. Now we are in inside the MySQL backups folder in D directory. So now you can just, okay, before executing this you have to just give this path to the bin folder in MySQL Server 8.0. so to work any MySQL command, so just do this. And now we are going to be executing a restore. So MySQL, give the username of your connection and -p for the password. And yeah, so the database that we will be executing this is run SCHDB backup, right? So run SCHDB backup. Now you need to put the lesser than mark and then specify the name of the file, right? Backup file. So let me just go here and select this and paste it here, and yeah, give my password. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this work. And yeah, how do we know it did execute? Because it didn't show any error. Yeah, now it has been executed successfully. If we refresh this, you could see like all of our database has been restored successfully into this empty database. As you can see, with the structure and with both data and structure. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again next time. Peace. And this will be the last question of the series. So I want to thank everyone who just made this possible to do this question. And yeah, so guess I will see you again in a next video series, from a next video series. And yeah.